welcome back to Midwich TV. We don't have a purple sofa, we do have the lovely Paul Kaylor, the interactive guru, and we do have this beautiful looking Samsung, the latest iteration of their e-board.
Designed in part to be PC-less, so you can walk in and access the internet by the inbuilt browser, built on their Tizen platform, which is an iteration of Android,
right?
But also has the Knox level security in, same as your phone, Samsung phone. So very secure. Stick it on the network or Wi-Fi, whichever suits. From a functionality perspective, you get 10 points of touch in Windows. Within the Tizen operating system, you'll get 4. However, because it's designed for 2 or 3 adults at most, you only ever really need 4 is really all you're ever going to need. You don't need any more than that when you're in a meeting scenario. Adding and taking away is as simple as clicking the plus button and clicking the X in the corner, and you can delete it. Nice and straightforward. I can save that to the device, or I can save it to my USB, which I've got access to here, nice and simple. I can also, once I've set the email system up, email that out to the participants of the meeting. I can also open the browser. So this really is the brains of the operation down here. Again, Tizen browser, nice and responsive, the ability to zoom in, got all those sorts of pinch, zoom gestures that you expect to see from phones, etc.
It's very intuitive to use, isn't it?
So I've already mirrored my ancient Note 4. As you can see, we were listening to War of the Worlds earlier, and
the 19th century. Human
audio streaming as well.
Beautiful.
So if you want to bring your device, you can. To come out, click the quick menu button. It's all about being simple. Being simple drives usability. So open multiple sources, you can see them all there. Remote workspace.
What's a remote workspace?
Once it's set up on the network, nice and easy for you to dial in to any PC that's on the same network as the device and drive that desktop remotely from here.
So if I work for a company, I've got different offices, different parts of the world, someone's forgot their PC, this can be a way around that, yeah?
Yes, walk into a meeting, as long as everything's on the same network, done.
Smashing.
Nice and simple. So we'll open the user manual for the previous product. I can also annotate over that. Okay. Make it bigger. Again, come out by clicking the menu screen, and then this has got all of the screens open, and it means I can flip between the two. Somebody else can be sharing a piece of content, and I can flip between that as well.
So it's sort of a quick reference tile of what's going on in a meeting. It's a real nice simple feature. We see a lot of sort of 65 and 75 inch screens going into boardroom spaces and huddle spaces anyway. What's the difference in a cost uplift for making it a touch screen?
So depending on brand and depending on what sort of functionality
specifically
you want.
These guys roughly.
So this will be in the order of right now, the difference between a comparable Samsung non-interactive is between 150 and 200 pounds.
So it's not actually a great deal for a step up for the interactive functionality.
And then the question is about things like instant screen share. So you not only can you do that with Android, you can do it with Windows. Windows 10, seamless, and it allows touchback when you're doing it. So you can control your PC without any cables whatsoever. So from an install perspective, you theoretically could just install it, power socket, stick it on the wall, stick some Wi-Fi to it, walk in and connect your laptop.
And off you go. And because they're getting lighter, the panels, aren't they?
Yeah, so this is 39 kilos.
Which is amazing.
Which I think is probably the lowest in class.
Yeah.
And, 16.7, 5-year warranty.
Thanks very much indeed for your time and for the demonstration, much appreciated as always. Thanks very much for joining us and spending the time to watch. As you can see from the lovely screen here, we've got a little reference for Midwich TV. If you want to subscribe or follow us, it's midwich.com/Midwich TV to check out what videos and bits of technology we've got coming up and coming forward. Thanks very much for watching.